Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, this is Excel in Art. I use Microsoft Office shapes in Word and Excel to create art. Today we're going to make hot air balloons out of simple shapes that are available in Word or Excel. We'll go to Insert, Shapes. We'll look around here. Let's take the happy face. Okay, so we're going to make it a certain color. I'm going to go into Shape Format. And I'm going to go into more fill colors. I'm just going to choose a purple. And actually, I'm going to pin this down here. I didn't pin this down. I needed more room. Now I need to see shape fill. And I think I'm going to put a gradient on there, just temporarily at least. So now we're going to go into shape styles. Click there. Go into the middle icon. 3D format. Top bevel. Choose the first one. Bottom bevel. Choose that one. And that is called soft round. And now I'm just going to change the points. Okay. Now I want the height to be 37. Okay. Now for the depth, I'm going to make it yellow. I'm going to try that one. Make that 64. Contour, make it darker. Material, you can leave that alone. This one, lighting, can leave that alone for now. Let's give it an angle of the lighting. Okay. Now we're going to have to rotate it a little bit. And we're going to go into 3D rotation. Rotate it like that. Okay. Now I want to, maybe not, just a little bit less there, like that. I want to give it a shape outline. Yellow. And that outline, the weight, I'm going to do that for now. Okay. Let me see here. Maybe give it some tilt, either that way or that way. Probably better this way. Can leave the Z rotation alone. Okay. Just add a few other changes to it. I'm going to change this to this to make it rounder. I'm gonna increase the height a little bit, like that. Maybe turn it a little bit, kind of show it like a balloon. Let me just see here. I want to fine tune that, like that. Okay. I'm gonna take that one. Actually, yeah. So let's try another one. Shapes. You know what? Let's just try. I'm gonna try $. I'm gonna use a font. Shapes. Okay. For this, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Okay, this thing is gonna have to be a lot bigger, so we're gonna go change it here. Try the black. Let's make this 120. Okay. Still too small. Let's go 300. Text effects, text fill, make it green. Try that one. Let's see. Bevel. Okay. Let's go see what we have here. Can use that one. Use that one. Make that into 12. Make that into a 4. Make this into a 6. Make this into 37.5. Make this into 64. Okay. And we're going to make that into yellow. Material we'll leave alone. Angle 40. Okay. Now we're going to go rotate. And see what that does. Okay. Let's bring this down. There we go. That's a bit better. Let's keep going to 64. Okay. I think a contour, maybe make it a little bit lighter. Does that do anything? Not really. Contour should be lower. Let's make that a 1. Maybe gray, lighter gray, I don't know. Just guessing. Darker gray. Okay. What else can we do? I just clicked and then highlighted it. Gradient. Linear. Paths. Path might look good. No, doesn't do much. Rectangular. Let's leave it linear. Direction. Text outline. Okay. I think the lighting needs to be worked on. Highlight it. Choose a lighter one here. And leave it like that. Down here. Okay. Next. Make another page here. Gotta have room to work. All right. Almost done. Insert. Gonna do one more shape. Just gonna choose a star. Okay. For this one, let's make the front red. Gradient. Like that. Okay. You know the rest. You go in here. Let's choose our bevel. Oh, I don't know. This one. This one for the back. The depth is going to be blue. Okay. Contour. Let's make another blue. Let's make this 40. Make this one 164. 5. 12. That's fine. Rotate this way. I guess. I think the contour, I'm going to make it black. And the depth, make it really bright. Okay. Now, I don't know about the lighting. Anything brighter. Okay. It's bigger. Bring that out actually a lot more. Let's see what the lighting does on that. Okay. Bottom bevel. Oh, shape outline. That's what we want to change. Make it brighter. I don't know how bright to make it. Can do that. All right. Let's increase the width. That's pretty cool. Doesn't do nothing. Okay. Brightness. Let's go like that. Material. Like this material. Okay. Let's make the contour less. Like that. No, too much. But I need something for this part here. Okay. You can also move this thing a certain way to make it look like more of a balloon. Okay, good. Let's see the front here. Okay. I just have to turn it around a little bit more. Like that. Like that. Maybe this thing should be lighter. Put that there. Move this over here. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.